Now, if you want to see exactly what the actual outcome has been for a dividend growth investor that's been buying shares of Realty Income for several years now, buying shares high, buying shares low, buying shares ticker symbol low basically every single week. If you want to see exactly why I've been buying so much Realty Income over the years, what I think about Realty Income long term, and exactly how much I'm getting paid with my several thousands of shares of Realty Income now in dividends on a monthly basis, well, stick around, drop a like down below, and let's get right into this one. Real quick, for those that haven't already, make sure to go to the first link in my description and grab my new dividend investing ebook, where I share exactly how I went from $0 invested to now earning over $6,000 on a monthly basis and over $1 million invested in the markets. Along with the ebook, you're also going to receive my custom dividend tracker, where you can track your dividend progress on an ongoing basis and reach your dividend investing goals. So make sure to grab yourself a copy of my dividend investing ebook and the new dividend tracker today. It's the first link in my description. So if you've watched my channel before, it's no secret that I'm a huge fan of ticker symbol low Realty Income, and I've been buying shares of Realty Income, like I said, for several years now. Now, across all my portfolios combined, Realty Income as of right now is my second largest position, right behind my 1,000 shares of Apple. And before you ask me, well, why am I so bullish on Realty Income? Why does this stock, why does this company interest me so much? I have a huge interest in high quality commercial real estate, and am super bullish on Realty Income's 15,450 properties across the US, UK, and across Europe. Now, when I first started buying Realty Income, this REIT was much smaller than it is today, maybe even half as big. And over the years, as Realty Income has grown, so has my position of ticker symbol O. Now, on top of that, one of the other main reasons I've been buying so much Realty Income and continue to do so up until this day, consistently over the years, is because, of course, Realty Income has paid and does pay a monthly dividend, which I'm earning anywhere from 5, 6, 7%, depending on which shares we're talking about, that I bought at any given time period. Now, this is very important to me because even though I'm only 31 years old, I am looking to possibly use some or all my dividend income sometime soon in the future to pay for things like bills, vacations, to help out friends and family, etc. I'm not personally looking to build up a portfolio and then start selling it off when I'm 59 or 60 years old. I want to live off of dividends much sooner, which I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this video do also. Now, if that happens to be my goal, which it is, I'm going to need to have a basket of high quality assets that not only are going to pay me dividends consistently, and monthly would even be preferred because a lot of bills get paid monthly, of course, but also I'm going to want to invest into different things that pay me more and more in dividends, or at least have historically long term. Now, that brings us right into my current position of Realty Income as of today. We're sitting across all my portfolios at an all-time high of 2,873 shares, more or less, at an average cost of around $53 per share. Now, to be fully transparent, my cost basis for Realty Income across all my shares, across all my portfolios, is a little bit confusing because I do sell covered calls and I have made a lot of money while Realty Income has, of course, traded down over the last year or two. But just for argument's sake, let's say my average cost per share of Realty Income, my cost basis is probably around $50 to $55 per share. Now, this means as of right now, with my 2,873 shares of ticker symbol O, Realty Income just announced as of recently their next dividend is going to be 26.3 cents, which is going to be paid next month. I'm currently earning around $755.60 on a monthly basis just from ticker symbol O. Now, that also means that if I were to drip that dividend into more shares of Realty Income as of right now, which I'm not currently doing, I currently take all my cash balance and just divide it across multiple different stocks and ETFs ongoingly. But if I were to do so, that would buy me around 13 or 14 shares of Realty Income ongoingly, which, of course, to move forward, would pay me an extra $3.62 on a monthly basis forward. That means that if I were to just drip Realty Income shares from my shares I already have and not buy a single another share, over the next 12 months, I'd be earning around $44 more forward per month just from my dividends dripped, and that's not even accounting for dividend increases. And with Realty Income, there's not the largest dividend increases across the entire market. Over the last 20 years, 5% per average, and over the last 5 years, only 3%, which hopefully not only will somewhat keep up with inflation long term, but more importantly, Realty Income has paid dividends every single month, uninterrupted through multiple different market turndowns, through recessions. Realty Income's dividend is here to stay. Now, Realty Income's outlook, in my opinion, is also going to be very bullish. The company's guidance during the last earnings was very bullish also. And even though on the top 20 client list, there are certain names in this list that I'm not necessarily all that fond of, things like Walgreens or even names like Wynn Resorts, different things that I'm not necessarily as bullish on, the fact that Realty Income owns mostly high quality, triple net leased retail commercial real estate, This is why I'm so bullish on this REIT. Not saying you should be bullish on it, but me personally, I have a huge interest in high quality commercial real estate. Now, before you say, well, if you're so interested in commercial real estate, if you're so interested in retail real estate, why don't you go buy some physical real estate yourself? And I would simply respond that I do personally already own physical real estate, but there's absolutely no way that I personally could invest into some of these big names and lay in triple net leases like this behemoth Realty Income can do. So instead, I'll buy more shares of ticker symbol below, get paid monthly dividends, get paid more and more per month, and along with that, in my opinion, see Realty Income track back up towards all-time highs within the next 1 or 2 years here. So now that you thoroughly understand exactly why I'm so bullish on ticker symbol below and why I own so many shares, I want to hear from you guys down below. Do you currently own any shares of Realty Income Corporation across your portfolios? And if you do as of right now, let me know how many shares you have down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to please drop a like and subscribe for more future content like this. Thanks as always for stopping by, and if you are interested in investing, make sure to check out these recent videos I posted right here.